Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Tetris game in Java is a great way to understand game development concepts such as graphics, user input, and game logic. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a simple Tetris game in Java. Additionally, I'll provide a code example that you can find on GitHub. ### prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. 2. IDE, use an IDE like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans for easier code management. 3. Basic Java knowledge, understanding of Java fundamentals like classes, methods, and arrays. ### Step 1, setting up your project. 1. Create a new Java project in your IDE. 2. Create packages, create a package structure, for example. ### Step 2, create the game board. The Tetris game consists of a board where the pieces will fall. We can represent it using a 2D array. ### Step 3, create tetrimino shapes. Define the different shapes, tetriminos, that will fall on the board. Step 4, create the game logic. Implement the game loop, user input handling, and piece falling logic. Step 5, user input. Handle user input to control the tetrimino movements. Step 6, GitHub repository. You can create a GitHub repository to host your Tetris game. Here's a simple guide on how to do that. 1. Create a new repository on GitHub. 2. Initialize your local repository. 3. Link your local repository to GitHub. ### Additional features. 1. Scoring system, add a scoring system that increases when lines are cleared. 2. Game over logic, implement logic to handle game over conditions. 3. Sound effects, add sound effects for better user experience. ### Conclusion. This tutorial covers the basic structure of a Tetris game in Java. You can expand on this by adding more features and refining the game mechanics. For a complete implementation, you might want to explore existing GitHub repositories that provide fully functional Tetris games, which can serve as additional resources. ### Example GitHub repository. You can find a full implementation of Tetris in Java here, Java Tetris GitHub repository, https://github.com/your-repo-link. Note, replace with an actual repository link if you have one, or search GitHub for Java Tetris. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy coding!